Kurt from Sugarland has a question about radiant relief.
Well, he's considering putting a radiant barrier in his 3,800 square foot house down there. And so Kurt writes, our electric bill is about $350 per month during the summer. We got a quote, including some rafters that seem to be drying out and cracking, for about $12,000 for a radiant barrier.
Okay.
Now you'll love this part.
I'm
This is my favorite part.
I'm listening.
This contractor says they say the roof is being so hot that it's damaging their rafters by drying them out to the extent that the sap is flowing out and the rafters are losing their strength. Apparently, Kurt lives on the part of Sugarland that's really close to the sun. Anyway, Tom, Kurt wants to know if it's true the roof would live longer and the shingles won't warp anymore if he gets a radiant barrier.
No.
Okay. And your kids won't do better in school. People will not like you more. None of those things are true.
I'm holding my temper. I am not going to get upset because a guy's trying to steal about $8,000 to $9,000 from you.
It sounds that way to me.
All rafters. There's Thomas Jefferson's home is still standing. It has rafters. I mean, and he was old. I don't know what to say. It's still there. It has the same roof on it. It's a Monel steel roof. The wood's fine. It does. Some of the old. Sorry, he was old. I'm 280 years old.
No.
Maybe 300.
And if you've been to Monticello, you'll know what he's talking about.
Yeah, but there'll be a little sap here and there, but they're trying to make a sap out of you. I guess that's the best way to put it.
Nice.
And I'm not going to let them.
All right, hang on.
I am not going to let them. Sorry.
Okay.
I don't want them to do that. The radiant barrier would be great. Spray it on. It'd probably be less than $1,000, maybe $1,200.
Maybe a couple.
I doubt it would go. I doubt it would go
Right.
to $2,000 for a sprayed on radiant barrier.
And
so just
loath as we are to talk about pricing, you're getting rooked.
$12,000.
It's crazy. No.
Yeah, I had my whole attic re-insulated for $800. So, and that's not quite as big as yours, but still, it was a decent price, and they made money. It was done in one day.
Yeah.
But as far as that goes, just have it sprayed, and this contractor is giving you a line of
Barbra Streisand.
Yes. So just don't do it, and please, I hope you get this answer before you write a check. Don't write a check to those people.
Well, we're going to expedite getting this to him.
Please.
Make sure that he knows. And we have not mentioned the contractor on purpose, but I'm here to tell you, this is a case where he said they had a lot of great online reviews and all this stuff. Like, no.
Well, he can do a good job for $12,000, or he can do a good job for $2,200 or whatever it might be. It's still a good job, but the price is just out of this.
Yeah, I mean,
it's outlandish.
Even if you had to put some supports on rafters or something up there, it's not going to run $12,000.
Well, I tell you what, you'll find if you have an older home that had a wood shingle roof at one time,
okay,
and the wood shingle roof was taken off, they redecked it, they put a new a regular shingle roof on there,
right,
and some of the rafters had some cracks in there. The reason they do is because when they re-roof, it wasn't structured for a heavier a roof like that, and the guys will throw the bundles of shingles down and lay them on the roof really hard, and sometimes that will crack a rafter because the rafters aren't supported right. And so once in a while, you'll find a cracked rafter under that circumstance. It's not from drying out from the sun or anything like that.
It's not, okay.
It was a weight of a big bundle of shingles being thrown down on there, and a wood shingle roof didn't have the same supports that the new roof did.
And there's a high chance if you're in Sugarland in a house that size and it's old enough, it probably had wood shingles at some time.
It very well could be. So that's what you would find. And then you just scab a piece of lumber next to it, and everything's fine. Put a few braces in there.
For far less than $12,000.
Probably around $600 for a few 2x4s here and there and some things. So don't do it.
Do not go down that road.
Okay.
All right.
Enough.
But do come down the super highway of home improvement knowledge by visiting HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill out the form, send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.